Investors, this is a presentation on CMS Info systems. This video is brought to you by SmartInvestor. Like our videos, share our videos, and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon for new video notifications. This video is for education purpose only. For all investment decisions, consult your financial advisor. This video is based on the investor presentations given by the company to the stock exchanges. CMS Info is a leading business service company catering to the banking, finance, and insurance sector and retail sector. It provides ATM cash management, retail cash management, cash in transit, bank automation solutions, ATM managed services, card management solutions, software solutions, and remote monitoring. The company has handled 12.70 trillion cash in FY23, 1,50,000 plus service delivery points, 4,04,000 vans. The company had clocked at 28.8% EBITDA margin and 28% PAT in CAGR. The company has had 4,500 million cash in March 2023. For the FY24 ROCE is at 24.21. The company is a zero debt company. 76% of EBITDA in FY23. The company offers end-to-end one-stop solutions, key business vertical, including cash management, end-to-end ATM replenishments, inclusive of cash withdrawal, ATM replenishments, cash evacuation, and deposition of BNA recyclers, day-end reporting, reconciliation, and settlement. Cash pickup and delivery from retail outlets and enabling settlement with retailers' banks. Currency movement intercity, intracity for banks. Managed services include sales, deployment, and maintenance of ATMs, Brown Label ATM development, managed services for bank-owned ATM networks, management and personalization of cards. The company also provides tech solutions for software and AI-based remote monitoring. The company has a presence across the cash value chain. Starting from the branch, it moves to ATM, to general store, and gas station, coffee shop, branch, and bank chest. Embedded into the client systems and processes, offering wide range of services at different stages of the cash cycle. Cash in transit services to the banks that run currency chests, ATM cash management services to banks, ATM deployment and maintenance services, Brown Label ATM services, multi-vendor software solutions, and remote monitoring services. The company offers retail cash management services to retailers and other corporates, as well as deployment of retail cash vaults, reconciliation of ATM and retail cash balances, and end-of-day reporting, credit and debit card personalization services to the banks, and currency chest automation. This is the journey of the company, which has grown 9 times the revenue and 11 times the EBITDA growth since last 14 years. Established a strong core in cash logistics and number 1 in private bank outsourcing, 4 times ATM growth of the market players doubled, demonetization, NPA crisis, PSU mergers, total addressable market is expanding. The company is a leader in cash logistics services in India with ATM cash management, retail cash management, cash in transit, and emerging business number 1 player. The total revenue, cash logistics revenue, is at 7,112 million in first half of FY24. Cash logistics EBIT and EBIT margin is at 1,891 million and a margin of 26.6% in the first half of FY24. The company has a route based with extensive distribution network across India. Deep entrenchment to India's hinterland, logistical planning, and route productivity are fundamental to CMS' successful track record. It has got 97% coverage pan-India, including remote areas. The company serves 16,000 PIN codes and 4,000 plus fleet. Cash logistics network, world-class scale, quality and risk management in the ATM, revenue model linked to number of visits per ATM, annuity revenue model which is 90% fixed, addressing 72,000 ATMs replenished every alternate day, average of 1.4 crores ATM per month. Retail partner with transaction banking to offer treasury solutions for corporate and retail. Annuity revenue model linked to volume and points, which is 70% fixed. 52,000 business commerce points, average of 37 lakhs collection and processing per month. In cash in transit business, bulk currency transit across the banking network, revenue model is 80% fixed, 3 to 5 year contracts, 12,000 plus bank branches served every day. Few integrated players in India with a strong technology edge, banking automation solutions, ATM as a service, software solutions, and number one in ATM, AI-based remote monitoring, the company is ranked number one in the ATM. Managed services revenue is at 3,463 million in first half of FY24. Managed services EBIT and EBIT margin are 689 million and EBIT margin of 19.9%. India is the third largest ATM market, and ATM currency recyclers, self-service kiosk, 1:2 branch to ATM ratio, product scale of 7 to 10 years maintenance revenue. In the ATM as a service, 60% bank owned, 3 to 5 years fixed revenue, 40% BLA and 7 to 10 years transaction based revenue. CMS has 20-25% revenue fixed rate and 30% of BLA at bank branches. ALGO software, MVS unified and dynamic interface management, ATM access security software, SaaS-like business model, license sale for 7 to 10 years, maintenance revenue. The company engages in AI/OT remote monitoring, less than 40% ATMs and less than 30 branches secured today. The total addressable market for this is likely to go up. What are the advantages of CMS Edge, an integrated tech-led pan-India business platform serving India's cash ecosystem? Leadership position across most segments backed by operational excellence and robust financials. The company has long-standing customer relationships leading to increased business opportunities. The company has a multi-year recurring predictable revenue streams. The company has a pan-India footprint with deep penetration in growing markets. Strong record of value accretive acquisitions. The company has experienced and qualified team to grow the business further. Favorable macroeconomic and industry trends, fastest growing large economy, 6.1% average growth forecast next 5 years. Growth in domestic consumption drives 2/3 of GDP. Banks at the center of growing economy in expansion mode. Retail growth to fuel consumption. Cash-based payments have large shares in loans, insurance, retail, e-commerce. Mid-term growth drivers include cash logistics, 1 lakh ATMs yet to be outsourced to cash management, growth in organized retail, direct to retail, and cash as solutions. In the ATM managed services, PSU banking refresh cycle is 80,000 plus ATM. Private sector branch expansion is 20,000. Total outsourcing deals 1 lakh ATMs will shift bank from capex to BLA. AI/OT remote monitoring, more than 60% of ATMs and bank branches, expansion to NBFCs, insurance, retail, legacy-based refresh cycle. In the inorganic way, track record of programmatic M&A, 250 crore in 6 acquisitions with less than 3-year payback, industry consolidation, mergers and acquisition areas, business services and fintech. The market growth, higher outsourcing create a large total addressable market opportunity. It is estimated that the market is at 22,000 crores with BFSI remote monitoring 25%, ATM as a service 17%, banking automation 19%, cash logistics and 19%. The company playbook include accelerating growth and market expansion, world-class quality benchmarks, drive innovation and talent in tech, lowest unit economic and scale productivity, strong cash flow generation, established right to win integrated offerings, large and complex projects with customer management, invest in adjacencies and tech to expand total addressable market and strengthen the core. The Q2 H1 FY24 financial highlights are shown here. Q2 FY24, they clocked 5,437 million revenue. Adjusted EBITDA is at 1,573. Adjusted PAT is at 923 for quarter second of FY24. For the first half of FY24, revenues are at 10,533 million. EBITDA is at 3,088, a growth of 17%. Adjusted PAT is at 1,791 million, growth of 24%. Business points for cash logistics, ATM plus retail cash management at 129,000, up by 12% year on year. Phase 1 of cassette swap ratio is 15% ATM successfully completed. Revenue in the first half of FY24 is 7,112 million and EBITDA of 1,891 million for first half of FY24. Let us look at the performance of the company share in the stock markets. Currently, the share is trading at 385 rupees as of December 29. It has a year high of 421 and a year low of 260. In the last 1 year, the share price has gone up by 21% or a jump of 67 rupees. In the last 6 months, the share price has gone up by 4% and in rupee terms, it has gone up by 17 rupees. The company is a steady performer, and looking at the growth opportunities in the cash management and ATM management, the future looks good for this company. It has a little competition from others. Investors should analyze the results for third quarter FY24 before looking at the company for investment. This video is brought to you by SmartInvestor. Like our videos, share our videos, subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon for new video notifications. This video is for education purpose. For all investment decisions, please consult your financial advisor. Thank you.